This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Melani Grindley. Pre-construction, custom-built home starting soon. Dream of building your own home? Come check out the lot and meet one of our local Ellijay builders. This custom home will have nice high-end finishings, master bedroom and laundry on main level. Beam in ceilings, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Located in a very sought-after part of town, lot has a gentle grade and is very private. For more information, review the details below or contact Melani Grindley at 706-276-1254.